Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. Many refrigerators have a built-in ice maker. If the ice cubes are too small, then it means that there's not enough water filling the tray. In this episode, first we'll do some initial checks. Then we'll test the water supply. Finally, we'll adjust the water level for the ice maker tray. To begin, you might need a screwdriver or nut driver and an adjustable wrench. You might also need a bucket, plastic container, and a cloth. In the back of the freezer is a fill tube that supplies water to the ice maker tray. Over time, this tube can become blocked with ice. There might also be ice forming around or below this spot. You can use a screwdriver to help clear any ice from the spout. As well, a heat gun or a hairdryer on a low heat setting can also help melt the ice. Some models use a water reservoir. If the fridge is too cold, then ice can form inside the line. Check for any blockages. To melt the ice, you can use a hairdryer or a heat gun on a low setting. Also, it can be helpful to raise the temperature of the fridge compartment. If this doesn't help, then you'll have to do some more tests. First, slide the refrigerator out from the wall. When there is enough room, unplug the cord to disconnect the power. Close the shutoff valve to turn off the water supply. Next, use an adjustable wrench to loosen and remove the supply line. Let any remaining water drain into a plastic container. Now, slide the fridge all the way out so you have plenty of room to work. It's best to check if there's sufficient water pressure. Place the end of the water line into a small bucket. Now open the shutoff valve. There should be a steady stream of water. If the flow is weak, then check the line to see if there are any blockages. If the water pressure is still low, then it's best to call a plumber. Reconnect the water supply and tighten the connection. Open the shutoff valve. Plug in the cord to reconnect the power. Now slide it back into place. Make sure to leave a couple of inches of space between the refrigerator and the wall. This will allow for proper airflow. Now test the refrigerator to see if it's working properly. If the filter is clogged, then it will restrict the flow of water, so it's best to install a new one. Keep in mind there is some variation between models. To know which water filter you'll need, enter your model number on the AMRE Supply website. From here, you'll see a parts diagram with the exact replacement parts listed on the side. Before anything else, it can be good to shut off the ice maker to prevent it from drawing any water. The water filter is often near the top of the fridge. As well, it might be located behind the kick plate. In many cases, the filter is hidden behind a cover. Simply press the tab to open the cover. Some water filters will be removed by twisting counterclockwise. With other models, you'll have to push the filter in for it to pop out. In some cases, you'll have to press a button that will release the filter. Remove any caps or covers that are protecting the new filter. Now align the filter in the housing and push it into place. In some models, you'll have to turn the filter clockwise until it locks. If needed, close the cover. Next, turn on the ice machine. Finally, run water through the filter for about 3 minutes to help flush out any air trapped in the lines. In some cases, you can use an adjustment screw to change how much water is dispensed. First, remove the cover. There might be a plus or minus printed next to the screw. Give the screw several turns and check to see if the water level is normal. You might need to do this several times to get the level right. In some models, the level can be changed through controls on the dispenser. Check your manual to see if this can be adjusted. If you've eliminated all other problems, then it could be an issue with the water valve. You can see how to replace this in the video linked below. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.